Hi, hello. Welcome back to Wealth Engineer. Uh, let's do the post-market analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty for the date 4th October 2021. Let's start with the pre-market analysis. We have a descending CPR here, okay, and it is in which is bearish in nature, and mid-range CPR. You have a golden pivot here, which is having L3, so that is a strong support if there is any opening above, okay, and then the Camarilla is H3 L3 is here and H3 is L3 is here. So it is a overlapping lower camarella and you have a Virgin CPR here and the PDH lies over here and PDL lies over here. So our pre-market bias is bearish. So our plan A is if there is a opening here, it will attract towards CPR and it will touch the resistance and it will go to the downwards. So this is our expectation, right? But today the opening has happened above the CPR, okay, and then it has took the support from the gap. Here there is one important support called there is a gap. So this area there is a gap here, right? This area there is a gap. Let me show you that. Let me on the candlesticks. Yes, see here there is a gap. So this gap will act like a support, okay. Once if there is a opening above this one and it able to sustain above here, so this is called presence of bulls, right? But there is a virgin CPR here on the on the top side. So this is the reason I have not initiated any long trade. If there is a no virgin CPR here, I would have entered here confidently and I would have trailed the trending day. Means I would have expected the trending day here if there is no virgin CPR. Okay. So literally I have not took any trade for Bank Nifty as it has not crossed any of the resistance. It is having that is virgin CPR. And if you see the RSI from the past few days, it is in the from neutral to bearish range, that is for 20 to 60 range, and today it has went to 60 and then it has took support again from 60 and it is able to close near to 60. That shows that a swing is going to start, okay. Tomorrow I may expect it to go higher side, okay. Let's see based on the tomorrow's opening. And let's go to Nifty. And the Nifty pre-market bias is bearish because we have a descending CPR and then mid-range with CPR and we have a golden pivot here, and then Camarilla is lower Camarilla, right? So this is the previous Camarilla and H3L3. This is today's Camarilla, which is lower Camarilla, right? So our expectation is bearish. If there is a opening here, it will take support and it will go downside. So that is our expectation. But what happened is it has taken a support at the upper side, okay, and then moves upside, okay. I'll now let me switch on the candles. It is a 3-minute candle, okay. So the first opening itself, it has showing there is a bullish momentum as it is a gap down rejection, and then it has faced the resistance from Virgin CPR. It has took a support and then it has broke the resistance of day high. So here you can uh, go long as per the Virgin, as per the lower Camarilla concept. But I have not taken any trade in this because as there is a Virgin CPR and Bank Nifty is also inside a Virgin CPR, so I have not initiated any long trade here. But it's a good one to take a trade if day high is crossing in such scenario, okay. And this by 10 EMA you can trail your profits and maybe you may exit here by seeing this red candle, or you may exit here. So almost this is your profit and this will be your stop loss. Uh, and if you see the CPR on 15-minute time frame, from many days it is in the range of from bearish, okay, from bearish to it has come to neutral and again it came to bearish and again it came to neutral, it came to bullish now, and now it is consolidating here and it may take the support. So if you see here on the price action side, it is like a bullish pennant, and tomorrow you may see a breakout here and move further upside. That depends purely on the opening and the day high breaking. Let me do that pre-market analysis for you for tomorrow. Next day CPR, next day Camarilla. Is calculating. Wait for a moment. Okay. Yes. So tomorrow we have a higher CPR which is bullish in nature. Okay, and H3L3 higher Camarilla. Okay, higher Camarilla. Fine. And yesterday's closing is above CPR, which is bullish again. And then we have a previous day high here, and you have one resistance here which is matching with R1, right? Which is matching with R1. For suppose if there is a opening tomorrow here, and if it is going R1 PDH by 10 o'clock, and if there is a breakout here, I'll go long with the target of R3 or R4, right? With the target of R3 or R4. This is my targets. Let's see what happens. And this is also a uh, strong resistance, that is swing high. So which is R3. So tomorrow we may get chance. And this is CPR, right? Yeah, that is Nifty. And let me go to Bank Nifty. You can remove the wedge and CPR here, and you can place the wedge and CPR over here. Okay, and you can keep next day CPR, next day Camarilla, right? So it is higher in nature, which is bullish, and again H3L3 is here. H3L3 is here, so it is higher Camarilla, higher CPR. Okay, and then so this PDH H3 are matching. It is a golden double pivot hot zone. Okay, and then if there is a opening tomorrow here, and if it is taking support from CPR, and if it is crossing the day high, I'll go long if there is a momentum, and we can keep the targets as R3 or R4. That's it for today, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.